Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Well, we've been talking about it for the last several days. We have been watching and looking very closely at the tropics as Tropical Storm Zeta became Hurricane Zeta and then weakened to Tropical Storm Zeta, now back up to hurricane status this morning with winds at 85 miles per hour, moving over the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, moving to the north-northwest at 17 miles per hour. It is now making its final descent towards the northern Gulf Coast. It will be making landfall somewhere along the Louisiana coastline later on today, most probably as a Category 2 hurricane with winds at 100 miles per hour. Once it moves inland, it's going to weaken to a tropical storm and move just to the east of the WCBI viewing area. So this is actually a good thing for us because we're going to be spared from the brunt of the storm, from the more active right side of the storm, which is where the tornado threat is going to be. So definitely, we're still going to get some gusty winds and some heavy rain, but the tornado threat is looking pretty low for us. The storm is going to continue moving in a northeast direction back out towards the Atlantic by Friday. But our friends on the Gulf Coast, they have not caught a break from this busy hurricane season as they are awaiting their fifth landfall in Louisiana alone. Hurricane warnings, tropical storm warnings in effect for the Gulf Coast, while portions inland of Alabama just to the east of us are under tropical storm watches, which means they're going to be getting wind gusts of 40 upwards to 60 miles per hour, heavy rainfall, flooding. And unfortunately, like I said, since they're going to be on the right side of the storm, the eastern side, more active side, they are going to be under the gun for some isolated tornadoes. And that threat is going to spread into Georgia and into the Carolinas. Again, for us, we're just going to have to deal with some gusty winds. While areas just to the east of us will be dealing with those gusty winds up to 50, maybe 60 miles per hour for us, we could be dealing with wind speeds 10 to 20, gusting up to 25 miles per hour at times, maybe 30. But again, as you can see, the severe weather threat, a level 1 to level 2 issued by the Storm Prediction Center, is staying just out to the east of us. So they're going to be under the gun for that tropical tornado threat areas along I-20 and I-59. For us here, we'll probably be dealing with 1 to 4 inches of rain. The rain will be heavy at times. And again, some gusts over 30 miles per hour possible, especially overnight tonight and into Thursday morning. This morning, we have been dealing with already some scattered rain showers. Right now, it's been pretty light, indicated by the green colors on our radar, while areas just to our south are dealing with some more moderate heavy rain. This rain is going to continue to spread here over the next 24 hours, and it's going to continue, especially heading into tonight, into Thursday. Once Zeta moves out of here, a cold front's going to push through, and some cooler, nicer weather moves in just in time for Halloween.